Hey, what's up guys? Nick here, and I want to talk about something really important that a lot of sellers are forgetting. And what this has to do with is increasing your customer lifetime value. I'm going to talk about one simple thing you can do that you should be doing to increase this. All right, so what is this simple thing you need to be doing? It's subscribe and save. I'm sure you've shopped on Amazon and you've seen these discounts on products you're buying where you'll see, 10% discount if you subscribe and save, if you sign up for subscribe and save for this specific product when you purchase. Okay, so that's giving you just 10% off and as an incentive to sign up for the product that you might be buying. If it's a product that you like, that you're going to buy repeatedly, it's beneficial for both parties. Well, all three parties in this case: Amazon, the seller, and the person buying. Okay, so if you're the seller though, this is really good for you because it's going to help ensure that that specific customer stays around longer. Very simply. So for example, if it's something like a supplement or a multivitamin where somebody needs to buy it again every 30 days, 60 days, 3 months, okay, they can sign up for this and it'll automatically get sent to them. They'll automatically be buying this every 3 months or however they set it. I think you can pretty much set it from 1 month to 6 months out as far as the subscription service that Amazon offers. So going a little further into this, they have a new dashboard. They've improved it for the sellers. So you can actually, I'll put the link down in the description below so you can go right to it as long as you're logged into your Seller Central account. But anyway, you can see like the metrics of new subscribers month over month as they're signing up. You can see actually one thing really cool is the number of sales coming from your subscribers and non-subscribers. So that can actually show you, okay, this is actually beneficial for me. So another really cool thing to note while you're in this dashboard is up in the top right-hand corner, Amazon actually says from their data, by adding a 10% or 15% off discount when a customer signs up for subscribe and save, it can actually increase your conversion rate up to 1.8x. Okay, so for example, if you have a 10% conversion rate, it can take it up to 18%. The other great thing about subscribe and save now is it's kind of all automatic. Well, there is a downside to this, and I'll get to that in a second, but it's all automatic as far as when you have your products on Amazon, you don't need to do any crazy stuff to sign up for it. Amazon automatically kind of picks up that your product is qualified and it will start the service for you. But it is up to you to actually add the discount that you want. So definitely go in and check your product, especially if you think you have a product that's worth, that a customer is going to want to buy again. Definitely go in and check that. Go down through the link that I put down below and check this. I mean, if you currently do not have a discount added and your product is a product a person would buy again, I guarantee you turn that on, you're gonna see sales go up. It's gonna help. So it's only a one-time discount also. There's virtually no downside to this. Now here is the downside of it kind of being a more automated process now with Amazon. You can lose your subscribe and save if for some reason your listing gets suppressed, Amazon pulls your listing for whatever reason, or if you run out of stock. Okay, so definitely stay on top of your inventory planning. Make sure you stay in stock if at all possible. If you do run out of stock, and you lose your subscribe and save, just make sure once inventory's back in, get that sales velocity up. That's one of the big keys of being qualified for subscribe and save is, Amazon wants to see that you're actually selling. They want to see you have enough inventory that you're not just going to run out and not be able to supply the product to the customer that wants to, subscribe and buy again after 30 days or so. So yeah, guys, definitely check this out. Whether you have a product that's qualified or not, just go check out the dashboard anyway. Just get familiar with it for when you do maybe have a product, so you be ready, so you understand how it works. Because this is something that we noticed with some of the clients that we work with. They have great products, a great brand. They're doing a lot in sales, but we'll go in and look at their subscribe and save and they're qualified, but they don't currently have a discount. So it's like, oh, you're missing out on this. And we turn that on and boom, sales go up even more. All right, that's it for now. Definitely give us a like, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and also definitely check out the top 10 PPC tips that we're giving away for free. You can download that, check it out down in the description below, and we'll see you in the next one.